Alrighty, this video is for IXL S3, which is E7D. So last week we got pretty comfortable with the coordinate plane and we've made equations for slopes, and now we're going to look at a coordinate plane and find the slope from it. So it's pretty easy. So slope, if you think of your M, is rise over run. So it's actually kind of backwards. We're used to, when we're plotting a point, you go left or right first. When you're finding slope, you need to find your rise over run. You go up and down first, right? So what you need is 2 points. So the easiest thing to find is when you're traveling up the line that you're dealing with. The easiest thing to find are 2 points that perfectly cross a coordinate. You know what I'm talking about? So like this point would be pretty hard to plot because I don't really know where that falls, anywhere between 0 and 10. But this one is pretty easy. I know that this is 0, 20. Pretty easy. Like that one I don't have to question. So when I go up the line, I'm going to find another one that kind of makes a perfect cross, and this one does. I don't really have to question it. I know this is 10, 60. So once you find those 2 perfect crosses, then you just count rise over run. So my rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's positive because I went up. So 4. And my run is 1. 1. So my run is 1. Always run to the right. And then it does say to simplify, so your simplification for this one would just be 4. Your slope is 4. Pretty cool. Let's do another one. Also finding the slope. So again, we want to try to find 2 points that make perfect crosses. Well, the cool thing about this one is the first one, once again, is a perfect cross. It crosses 2 x and y's pretty easily. Now I'm going to go travel up the line until I find another one, and I did. I found one super early too. So now let's just count. Rise, which is 2, over my run, which is 1. And then I can simplify that even more to 2. This one you might need to put a pencil to your computer screen kind of thing. That's how I usually do if I can't draw it. All right. This one works the same. However, where I'm starting is just down here. Not really worried about what the coordinate is. I just need to find ones that make that cross beautiful coordinates. So I'm going to go travel up the line until I find one. Oof, we are so lucky. This one's pretty easy. Again, this is 2, and this one is 1. So it's 2 over 1, which simplifies to 2.